BND 1, chapitres 3 et 4, Geoculture, on pages 72 through 75 in your textbook. La Province de Québec. Quebec, Canada's largest province, is 4 times the size of California, but nearly half of its inhabitants live on less than 1% of the total land area. The population is over 7 million. Cities in the province include Montreal, Quebec, and Laval. Montreal, pronounced Montréal in French, is the second largest French-speaking city in the world after Paris. Industries of Quebec include natural resources, aerospace, tourism, pharmaceuticals, and information technology. The eastern tip of the Gaspe Peninsula is known for its enormous limestone rock formation, Le Rocher Percé. Les Laurentides. The Laurentides region north of Montreal has spectacular foliage in the fall. Le hockey. Ice hockey is the most popular sport in Quebec. Le Nord du Québec. Northern Quebec. Wildlife like the caribou and moose have adapted to the conditions of this harsh landscape. Les aurores boreales. In July, you can enjoy the remarkable phenomenon of the northern lights from the Mount Cosmos Observatory south of Quebec City. Le Saint-Laurent. You can see a great variety of large sea mammals like whales, dolphins, and sea lions in the St. Lawrence River. Gastronomie, food. La cipote aux bluettes is a traditional pie made with a kind of blueberry found in Canada. La tourtière is a Quebec specialty, a meat pie, usually made from minced pork and spices. Le sirop d'érable, maple syrup. In early spring, many people go to a cabane à sucre to enjoy the traditional hot maple syrup poured onto a bed of fresh snow and scooped up with wooden sticks. Sport, la pêche blanche, ice fishing. This sport was handed down from the Inuits and Amerindians. People fish through holes cut in the thick ice that covers rivers and lakes in the winter. Les traîneaux à chiens, dog sledding, provided transportation to the Inuits, settlers, and fur traders for hundreds of years. Today, mushing, traveling on snow with a dog sled, provides eco-adventures through the wilderness. Le canoë. In the summer, people enjoy canoeing on the many waterways that Quebec has to offer. Fête et Festival, l'International de Montgolfière. This festival in Saint-Jean lasts for 10 days. You can admire hot air balloons of all shapes and colors here. Le Festival International de Jazz de Montréal. Jazz musicians from all over the world participate in over 400 concerts every summer during this festival. The Carnaval de Québec. This is the biggest winter carnival in the world. Among the numerous festivities, an ice palace is built for Bonhomme Carnaval, the mascot of the carnival. Bonhomme refers to Bonhomme de Neige, which is snowman. History, Histoire. Jacques Cartier explored the St. Lawrence River in the 1530s while searching for a route to Asia. He claimed the area for France, landing on the sites that later became Quebec City and Montreal. Samuel de Champlain was sent by the King of France to map the St. Lawrence River. He made the fur trade flourish and established ties with native peoples. He founded Quebec City in 1608.